Welcome back to the channel. This is Samira's Fashion YouTube channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I will be teaching you guys how to cut and sew this gorgeous stylish top. It's going to have puff sleeve on it and a belt in front, and I'm going to use 1 yard of Duchess material to achieve this style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial. So if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end. So let's get started now. Guys, this is the fabric that we are using, 1 yard of Duchess material. That's what we are using to achieve this style. So I'm folding it into 4 pieces. That is, I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. All right. So what I will do now, I will draw a straight line. That's where we are going to start our measurement from. All right. So now I'll start my measurements by taking the length of my top, which is 21 inch. All right. So I'll mark 21 inch on both sides. All right. So I will draw a straight line for that. So I'll go for my neckline, which is 3.5 inch. I'm marking 3.5 inch and I'm taking it down the depth by 3 inch. Okay, so it's a round sleeve. Please, it's a round neck. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So I'll mark my round neck, which is baby neck. So I'm using 1 inch to curve it. Okay, so I'm still showing you guys that I'm cutting it, the front and the back piece. So I'm using 1 inch to cut the back neckline. Okay, so now is my shoulder, which is 7.5 inch. Okay, so I'll just draw a straight line. All right, so I'm using 11 inch for the width. So the width is 11 inch. All right, so I'll go for my bust. My bust is 37 inch. Then I'll add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, hope you are following up, guys. Then I'll curve my armhole. Okay, so my half length is 40 inch. Okay, then I'm going by 24 inch for my waistline. Then I'll add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. All right, so my hip is 38 inch. Then I'll add 1.5 inch also for my sewing allowance. All right, what I'll do now, I'll connect all the marks together. Okay, please keep on watching this tutorial so that you can see the outcome of this beautiful style that we are making. All right, we are using 1 yard of this fabric to achieve this style. So I'm using 1 inch to slope my shoulder. All right, so now the button of my top, I don't want it to be too straight, so I'm using 1 inch to curve it. Okay, so now I'll cut. All right, so I'm cutting it, I'm starting it from my neckline. Please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial. Okay, and guys, you can also check my other tutorials so that you can also learn the other styles that I have on my channel already. So today we are making this gorgeous beautiful top that is going to have puff sleeve on it, and it's going to have front belts on it also. So we are using 1 yard of Duchess material to achieve this style. All right, so please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. So I'll just pull out the back piece. So I want to cut the front piece. All right, don't forget it's a round neck. The neckline is round neck. All right, so this is the front neckline that I'm cutting now. So after cutting the front and the back, so what I'll do, I'll show you guys how to cut the sleeve And don't forget it's going to have small gather on the sleeve, and I'm going to use this fabric also to pipe it. I'm not going to use elastic to puff it. I'm going to use this fabric to pipe it. All right, so the next step now is the sleeve. Okay, so I'm cutting the two sleeves together. So the width is by 7 inch. All right, so the length is by 17 inch. Then my armhole is 2 inch. Okay, so the round sleeve is 7 inch. All right, so that's the round sleeve, which is 7 inch, and it's going to have small puffs, small gathers. Okay, so I'm connecting the marks together. So the next step now, I will just cut my sleeve. So I'm cutting it now. Please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making. It's a beautiful style that we are making. And guys, the cover picture, it has a bigger sleeve, but my own sleeve is small, but it's the same thing. All right, so please keep on watching to see the outcome of the style that we are making now. Okay, so the next step now is for us to cut our belts. So you can see the belts. I'm going to cut the two belts together because it has one at the right hand side and one at the left hand side. So I'm cutting them together. So I folded it into two. So I will take the length of my belt, which is 22 inch. All right, so the depth is by 3 inch. Please, the width, I'm sorry about that, the width is by 3 inch. Then I'll use 2 inch. That's where I'll give a V shape. Okay, that's the V shape. All right, so now I'll cut this belt. So guys, keep on watching. So after that, I'm going to show you guys how to attach it on the top. So this is how to go about it. So I'm going to measure from my shoulder to my half length. So that's where I will attach the belt. Before them, there is an opening at the side. So that's where I'm going to place my belt. So don't forget, I did my measurement from my shoulder to my half length. So that's where you place the belt on. So I will just turn it so that I can place it very well. So this is how to go about it when making your own. Okay, so after that, we'll just run a stitch on it. I will iron it. Then we will attach the sleeve and our top will be ready. So I'm using my pin to pin it down. This is how you go about it when making your own. Just use your pin to pin it down before you now take it to your machine and run a stitch on it. Then you iron it. Then your top will be ready. Okay, so you can see how beautiful the style is. It's very simple and easy to understand. So you can see the outcome of the top now. We have fixed the belt. You can see how beautiful it is now. So now I've run a stitch on the sleeve, so I'm trying to gather it out because it's going to have a small gather on the sleeve. So this is the fabric that we are going to use to pipe it. It's just 2 inch. Okay, so after that, then I'll run a stitch on it, then I'll attach it to the sleeve, then our sleeve will be ready. Then we'll now attach it to the main top that we are making today. Then our top will be ready. So we are going to wear it out for you guys to see the outcome of the style that we are making today. So this is the outcome of the style. So you can see how beautiful it is on my body. Very beautiful, very simple and easy to cut and sew. Don't forget, we made use of 1 yard of Duchess material to achieve this style. Very lovely. I hope you understood what we did today. Guys, keep a date with me, and also don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Please, you can check my other tutorials.